Hiren's BootCD is a first aid tool which every computer wizard needs to have a copy either on CD or USB. Resetting or removing Windows password is one of the many things Hiren's BootCD can do. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily remove or reset any Windows password. Requirement: download, extract the ISO file and burn it on a CD or USB, i.e. if you don't have a CD writer. See how to make a bootable USB. Boot your computer with Hiren's BootCD and follow the steps below for resetting your password. Step 1. Choose Menu Windows XP. With up and down keys, select Menu Windows XP and press Enter. Wait for the Windows XP to finish booting. Choose Menu Windows XP. Step 2. Open BootCD menu. On the desktop, double-click on BootCD menu. Open BootCD menu. Step 3. Choose a program to launch. On the Hiren's BootCD 15.2 Program Launcher dialog, click on Programs. Point to Passwords keys. Point to Windows Login. Click on NTPW Edit, Reset XP/Vista/7 User Password. Choose a program to launch. Step 4. Choose the Windows partition. Open My Computer. Identify the drive letter of the partition that contains your Windows. The drive letter could be different from the screenshot below. Identify the drive letter. After identifying the drive letter, close the My Computer window. Go back to the NTPW Edit 0.3 window. In the Path to SAM file field, change the drive letter in the path to the one you identified in My Computer. Click on Re-Open. This will display all the usernames in the list below. Step 5. Choose the username to reset password. Click on the username in the user list. Click on Change Password. At this point, if you leave the fields empty and click OK, the password will be resetted or removed. If you enter a new password into both fields, the password will be changed to the new password you have entered. In this case, we will leave it blank and click OK. Reset password. Step 6. Save the changes. Click on Save Changes. Step 7. Exit NTPW Edit. Click on Exit. Step 8. Close Hiren's BootCD 15.2 Program Launcher. Close the Hiren's BootCD 15.2 Program Launcher dialog. Step 9. Eject Hiren's BootCD and restart PC. Click on Start. Click on Shutdown. Select Restart in the drop-down and click OK. Remove the CD or USB. Now that your password has been removed using Hiren's BootCD, no password is required to log on to Windows. If you are the only user on your computer, Windows will boot all the way to the desktop on the next reboot and will skip the logon screen altogether.